1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, c'est bon là?
There will be something announced tomorrow.
Sick. What's up, Paris?
Hello everyone. I'm so thrilled to have you in our space today. It is very packed and we greatly appreciate it. We're going to be talking today about generative arts with the amazing people we have up here.
We, in this room, are surrounded by some of the best generative artists in the entire world.
You know, you can't talk about creative custody without talking about security. Obviously, it's something we know quite well at Ledger. You know, it's amazing when Ledger actually started, it was really just about securing mainly Bitcoin. And then over time, the rise of NFTs meant that Ledger had to adapt and create products and services that would enable it so that NFT users were first-class citizens within Ledger Live. We want a really clear way to take care of you and make you feel protected, secure, whether you're a creator or a collector. That's why we also have created something called the Ledger Extension, which we're rolling out over the next few months. It's already in beta.
It was a great panel.
Yeah, did you think so?
Yeah, I loved it. Ledger do it best, in my opinion. I think that they've managed to inject culture into what could be a very boring, lifeless world of security. They make a real effort to reach out to communities and creators and engage them to educate their communities as well. So yeah, all around, I'm a big fan.
Without it, we really leave ourselves vulnerable to some of the bad actors in the space who might want to phish us or, you know, do something sneaky with hot wallets.
This is the Ledger extension, so it's a browser extension on desktop and mobile. So with this, you will be able to connect your Ledger Nano X to NFT Marketplace directly, so no need to have a third-party wallet in the middle.
So we just pull up the Ledger extension, no MetaMask, no nothing?
Yeah, exactly.
Wow. Anything that just makes it simpler for the user to like interact with their wallet is incredible. So big fan of that. I think what I like in Ledger products is how easy they are. It reminds me of my iPhone. Like anybody can kind of use an iPhone because it's simple. That's what I like about it. Sick.
How many people in the room have a ledger? Wow. Today, 30% of all NFTs are secured by Ledger, but what we would want it to be is like 100% of NFTs would be secured by a Ledger.
I use a Ledger personally because I've also experienced losing some funds already, so I think there's a lot of learning situations in that.
Very smart technology. I use it myself with Nano S, and really impatient to see the stacks. To me, it's like a revolution.
The user can upload a photo from their smartphone or choose an NFT from their wallet. The user is then prompted to adjust the crop of the artwork in order for it to fit the device. It's a great way to always have your favorite NFT with you.
Oh, magnifique. On a arrêté les précommandes parce qu'on a eu tellement de précommandes en fait qu'on ne peut plus en prendre jusqu'au moment où on commence à shipper. C'est plutôt une bonne nouvelle. Voilà. Super nouvelle. Exactement.
Ce qui a fait le succès de Ledger, c'est la rencontre entre une discipline dans laquelle les Français sont toujours illustrés, qui est la cryptographie, et puis le Web 3. Et donc on a aujourd'hui le leader mondial de la sécurité dans le Web 3. C'est pas un hasard et c'est très prometteur pour la suite.
We wanted to take advantage of the stage, the space, this beautiful Eiffel Tower to announce the last partnership that we have just signed. And in order to talk about it, I'm not going to do it. I'm going to bring on someone that doesn't need an introduction. That's Benoit Pagato from Artifact.
So we did something really cool that I guess you'll see on social media, but we designed a case to put your ledger that looks like a vial, you know, which is the type of stuff we've been developing with Artifact as part of our story and design. And it's a way to really showcase your ledger, and you know, you can have it around the chain. With Artifact, we always only partner with the best, and Ledger has been the best and a leader in their market since a very long time. We really love their team. If you can combine security with coolness factor, that's even better. So that's why we're super happy to have partnered with Ledger.
Thank you guys.